JJ. Jameson Joe turning the big number 3. Happy birthday, big man, and we're.
All right, Riker Judd Saporito turning 8 years old this year, celebrating in Columbus. Happy birthday, Riker.
Titan football pride right there. Ethan Barnes, he's got a 9th birthday. Sharp dress dude. Ethan, a happy 9th birthday to you in Miami.
Dylan Bond turning 11 years old this year. Check out that catch there. Dylan is in Riverton, Kansas.
Great catch, Dylan. And you know, he's to that age now where, Dylan, I want you to start introducing yourself when you meet people as Bond. Dylan Bond. Do it.
How do you know he's not already doing it?
Renner Jones is in Nevada. Oh, Nevada Tiger pride out there on the football field. Renner, a happy 11th birthday to you in Nevada.
All right. And in Chanute, Tyra Bogle celebrating birthday number 17 this year.
Show him the way, Tyra. Show him the way. Taylor Boney turning 24. That's a marvelous picture right there. Taylor, a happy birthday in Carterville.
In Pittsburgh, Richard Westbury celebrating the big 4-0 this year. Hope it's a great one for you, Richard.
Run out to Neosho Falls, and that's where Vicky German, that's a great smile right there. Vicky, a happy 57th birthday.
Definitely having fun in that picture there. And Bob Allen is celebrating birthday number 92. Mr. Allen is in Girard, Kansas. Happy birthday.
Couple anniversaries. We'll begin with Tracy and Berta Parks celebrating their 27th anniversary. Tracy and Berta, big congratulations to you in Yates Center.
All right. JD and Kathy Bond are celebrating 43 years together. I love that picture there.
Honeymoon picture.
Yeah, they're in Humboldt, Kansas. Yeah, their little honeymoon picture. That was taken at Pin Hills in the Poconos. Of course, that is in Pennsylvania.
Maybe they got to take in a race. I don't know. But yeah, I've been beautiful up there.
I like it.
Kevin Carpenter, happy 51. Kevin is in Quapaw. And John Wolmerdorf, a happy 48th birthday. Mr. John, he is in Girard. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all on this October the 7th. That's where you can turn them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. Also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com.